Hey guys, what's up? I know it's been a long time since my last video. As you can see from my shirt, ma- I'm in California, so there are a lot of beaches here. What I'm trying to do is I'm gonna start a series of videos where जहाँ पे मैं क्या करूँगा I'll visit all the beaches. I'll try to visit and I'll try to make some videos of the beach. Today we are going to a beach named El Matador Beach. That's in Malibu. So people say कि it's a paradise for photographers. Let's check it out. Bhai, that was one of the best and the most dangerous roads I have driven, so it's like a must. Malibu is very beautiful. Yeah, so safety first. Parking मतलब यहाँ पे मिलना is very difficult. Let's look at the view. So either you park there or you park here, so you have to pay like $8 and you can enjoy the view. Is it the best place for the sunset? Maybe no. Is it beautiful? Absolutely yes. And if you are in or near Malibu area, please do come visit. And such a, you can see the fog and all there. So just hop on weekend trip, but it's advisable that you should come here around 4:30 so that you can see the proper sunset. Otherwise it gets cloudy, so you can't enjoy the scene. And thank you for watching this video. Signing out. Bye bye, take care.